sangkap ng isang lulutuin nating food or recipe?
Maraming pwedeng paggamitan ng Greek yogurt. You can mix it with your favorite fruits and milk, so you can make healthy smoothies. Pwede rin siya sa desserts, pies, pastries, and even desserts and recipes.
Okay. At syempre, masyadong mabilis yung ating prompter. Meron din tayo, aside from Miss Tabi Castillo, kasama rin natin from the global, sila na magpapakilala, si Gian and Nina.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning Gian, good morning Nina. You're from? Hindi ko kasi nabanggit from?
Global City Innovative College.
Ayan, Global City Innovative College. Sila yung mga chef po, napakabatang-batang mga chef ito. At from your end naman, using yung live Greek yogurt ng Hacienda Macalawan, ano ba yung pwede ninyong i-share sa amin na recipe gamit itong live Greek yogurt?
So we can use live Greek yogurt as a healthy substitute for desserts using cream such as mousse, cheesecake, and the one that we're about to demonstrate, the yogurt tiramisu.
Kasama mo si Lina sa magdedemo sa atin, ha? For Miss Tabi naman, ano-ano po ba yung mga flavors ng inyong yogurt?
Yes, for the regular, we have sweetened and unsweetened. We have blueberry, strawberry, mango sago, ube pandan, nata banana, pineapple, and almond lychee. And for the Greek yogurt, we have the regular, blueberry, strawberry, and honey.
Aba, marami palang mapagpipilian yung ating mga viewers, ano po, Miss Tabi. At syempre, para sa ating demo, excited na ako. Andito si Chef Gian and Chef Nina para ipakita sa atin, ha, kung paano gagamitin sa isang recipe ang live Greek yogurt. Okay, pwede natin simulan? Ano ba yung mga ingredients natin?
So we have here the ready-mix na cream na with 500 grams of Hacienda Macalawan live Greek yogurt.
Ayan, ito yun.
With mixture of 1/2 cup of sugar and vanilla milk and also the cottage cheese and ricotta cheese.
Ayan, ipakita natin sa ating mga viewers, Nina and Gian, kung paano natin gagawin yung ating recipe. Ano yung inihanda ninyo para sa ating mga viewers today?
Yogurt tiramisu.
Ayan, tiramisu. Napaka-mabenta ng tiramisu sa di ba? Start na natin yung ating, anong gagawin? Puputol-putulin lang siya.
Yes, so lady finger broas. You can easily purchase these broas in a supermarket. So what we have here, so what we have here is our instant coffee. You can use an espresso, but it's much easier and much convenient if you use instant coffee.
Ayan. And then,
Just i-pour lang natin yung coffee.
ihahalo natin siya dun sa broas. Ayan, tutunawin siya. Parang gagawin natin siyang anong tawag dun? Parang powder na.
Lalagay lang po natin siya as layers.
Ayun.
So yung una natin gagawin is we're gonna layer it with the cream.
So that's the live Greek yogurt.
Yes, the mixture.
Mas itsura pa lang masarap. So Miss Tabi, saan mo pa pwedeng mabili yung live Greek yogurt? Doon lang talaga sa Hacienda Macalawan?
Ay, hindi ma'am. Actually, it's already available at all leading supermarkets.
Aba, talaga. What about the price? Affordable mo ba siya?
It's a bit expensive than the regular yogurt, but it's still affordable.
Dahil po marami naman talaga mga health benefits na maibibigay ito sa atin. Sa mga meron pong sakit na diabetes, pwede ito.
Actually, a Greek yogurt has less sugar and less carbohydrates, so pwede sa mga diabetics.
Ayan. Miss Tabi, ano pa po ba yung mga dairy products na meron or ino-offer ang Hacienda Macalawan?
Okay. Our company, Hacienda Macalawan Incorporated, offers a wide variety of fresh dairy products. So, aside from the milk and yogurt, as you can see from the backdrop, we also have cheeses.
I see.
Yeah, so for the milk, we have the whole milk.
Now I can see it. Ang dami pala dito.
We have whole milk, low-fat, vanilla.
Okay.
We have strawberry, chocolate, non-fat, and of course, we have lactose whole milk. Lactose
Ayun.
free.
Para saan po? Para kanino yung lactose?
Sa mga lactose intolerant consumers po,
Ay,
kasi may mga sensitive sa milk products, so we came up with that variant.
Ay, pwede po pala yan. Kunwari, ako hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa milk. So, pwede siya sa akin.
True.
Ayan, I see. Okay, malapit na matapos yung ating tiramisu.
So we're done.
Really?
Yep.
Using the live Greek yogurt. Ayan, hawakan natin ha. Parang ang sarap sa, parang ice cream ang dating ano po, Miss Abby.
Yes.
So i-refrigerate siya for 3 hours before serving. Then
Ayan.
garnish with cocoa powder.
Ayan, lagyan natin. Si Gian parang mahihain, ano? Pwede silang, at isa pa, gawa pa sila ng isa. Ayan, another one. Ayan. Anong powder ito, Gian?
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yes. Madali din siya mahanap sa mga supermarket.
So, hindi pala mahirap gawin itong tiramisu na ito, no? Gamit ang live yogurt. Kasi available lahat yan sa supermarket. At madali siyang gawin, ha? Kita nyo naman na mga ka-homepage. Hindi kailangan ng bake. Hindi kailangan i-bake or something, no? At habang pong ginagawa ni na Giancarlo Sebastian at ni Nina Peña yung ating tiramisu using live Greek yogurt. At syempre kasama natin si Miss Tabi Castillo. Magpapasalamat muna tayo sa kanila. Miss Tabi, you want to invite our viewers po para naman na kung gusto nilang tikman itong inyong live Greek yogurt.
Yes, our products are already available at all leading supermarkets, so grab one now. Salamat.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Tabi Castillo. Huwag po kayo maglilipat ng channel dahil magbabalik pa ang homepage.